Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! He keep going. He keep going. Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! They're too small, huh? Okay. Okay. Hey, you got 35, right? There you go. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So we're getting the bait over there, and now we go across on the dock over here, and we will get ice. And no, we try to find a striper over there, but no striper. Welcome back to Fishing 24/7. I'm so happy today. Go fishing again. Anyway, with me today we have Thomas. If you watch my video, he have a catamaran, the Grace Bay. I was on his boat. So today he was on my friend's boat, Danny, back there. Hi, Danny.
How you doing?
Yeah. So today we decided to go to San Francisco Bay. I know Moss Landing. It's been hot for the whole week, but it's choppy, so we don't take risk. That's why we go to San Francisco Bay here. Lots of people over here. You know, we at the Berkeley Flat. So hopefully we doing live bait today. You know, so I'm going to show you the my blue bait tank later on. But anyway, we use live bait and Joby, and we drifting. So hopefully we are doing the outgoing tide. So hopefully we hook up into something here. Okay, guys, follow us. If you cannot go fishing, just get on the boat, get on the journey with us, and then hopefully we having fun today. Actually, we already having fun. Okay, guys, I'll be back, and hopefully I give you good news. Okay, guys, so we're here for about over an hour. We didn't catch anything at all. You know.
You got scratch?
Let's fish on, guys. Fish on. Yep. Fish on. Have a fish on. Man, I just put it down. Oh, this is a nice one. Hold on.
All right.
Let's see.
Put the handle out.
Yeah, I can reach from here. A shaker though. Shaker.
Oh, shaker. What? Fish on? Yeah, fish on.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah. Yeah, fish on.
That's a striper?
Striper. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Maybe a keeper. Yeah. Yeah, over here. I just. Yeah, keeper. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is our first fish. 20 inches, maybe 2 pounds. Hold on. Hold on, not yet. Right here. Right here, brother. Striper.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, striper. Then you have a fish on. Yep. Come on, Danny. Yeah. Oh man.
Oh, it's a striper.
Yeah, striper. No, the halibut.
Halibut, big one. Oh,
Is it a nice one?
yeah, nice
Yeah.
one. Keeper, that was a keeper. All right,
Hold on.
trust me.
Hold on.
Okay, you leave it. Hold on. Not yet. Not yet. Let him run. Let him run. Okay, walk him in. Okay, net. Oh, yeah. Good job. That's a keeper.
Daddy, dude, it jumped out.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Nice.
Good job, brother Danny.
Oh man, I was
Ah.
like, it jumped out.
Hey,
It
good,
jumped out like
yeah,
that. Dang it, dude.
good action. It's about 25, at least 25.
It's about whatever keeper. That's
Yeah.
what it's about.
Let's see. Nice. That's at
Oh, sorry.
almost 26. Yep, small one. Man, I know. Okay. It went crazy. So we was about heading to Treasure Island, but I told Danny, hey, stop by near the end of the pier. Yeah, and as soon as we stopped, I got hooked up into a shaker, and then I saw Thomas, boom, he set hook, and then he got a 20 inches striper. So we got excited, and then Danny over here, man, he got a nice 26 halibut. I'm so happy for him. He's always the guy that catch a nice halibut. So yeah. So anyway, man, I'm so happy now. You know, just like go fishing. I'm happy. I'm feel blessed. You know, that I'm go fishing. But you know, catching fish is even better. You know, I'm very happy. You can see the smile on my face. You know, for me, I'm really enjoy my time on the water with friends. You know, with Thomas and with Danny. You know, for me, you know, right now, I don't know what to say. You know, it's really take all the trouble away from me. You know, all the sadness, everything that I went through. You know, it's go away. You know, these fish just make your life. You know. Oh, fish on over there. Fish on over there. Oh my goodness. We were talking and then fish on. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Thomas.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Come on. What's that?
Oh, shaker.
A shaker?
I think a shaker, right?
Okay, let's see.
Oh no, keeper.
No, a shaker.
Shaker?
Yeah, a shaker. Anyway.
Anyway,
Man.
Oh, shaker.
Okay.
Oh,
Well.
man, a good spot. Ooh.
Anyway. See,
The excitement.
we are at the end of the pier right there, Berkeley Pier, and look at all the boats around us, and nobody catch anything, just us. Okay, guys, let me show you the setup for the live bait tank. Okay, if some of you have the wash down on the boat, that's very simple. All you have to do, hook it up into the bait tank, right? But this boat, we don't have to wash down. So what Danny did is he installed the they call it a transom mount pump behind the boat. Okay, it's right behind there. You see it right there. Okay, so the water pump up here. Okay, pump up here, and then they go into the check valve. You see the check valve right here. The check valve is for the water flow one way. So when you turn off the pump, the water don't come out. Okay. Water don't come out. Oh, anyway, you got the fish on. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a shaker. That's a shaker. But anyway, let me go back to the tank here. Anyway, I love this tank, man. It's really work wonder. Okay. So let me show you. Because of the blue, so it's very dark inside. And then the fish is very calm. I don't know if you see the fish. Hey, Jovi. They are very calm and they're not panicked. See right there, we have half of the scoop. It's about over 300 anchovy in there, and none of them died. Yeah, right there. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, guys. And if you need one, you let me know. See how the water going out? Okay. So then he have the pump is 500 gallon per hour. Okay, so you should have around 500 to 800. Okay, 500 is a little weak. When his boat run, the water cannot pump in. Okay, but however, because of the tank is very big, 20 gallon. It can keep the anchovy happy for at least 20-25 minutes when the boat runs. Okay, well, let's go back to fishing. Let me show you about this gap. This is a beautiful gap here that my buddy Carlos that he's been doing. He's been doing a lot of gap. This is a very nice one here. He did it handmade, bamboo. And he wrapped everything by himself. So this is a very nice gap. Very light and it's floatable. It cannot sink. So very nice. We haven't used it today, but hopefully we'll use it today for big halibut. So good job, Carlos. We are here at the Alameda Rock Wall. It's like a zoo. It's at least over 100 boats out over here. So we're going to trip here for maybe another hour and then we headed home. We're very happy already with 2 fish on the boat. I say, okay, oh, you're...
Got the stingray.
Yeah.
They were catching a lot of shapers.
Hi. On camera. Come on.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't know. Seem heavy to me. Oh, yeah. The keeper.
Keeper for sure.
Yeah, nah.
Hold on.
I walk it in, okay?
Okay, you walk in. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me get the net first. Walk in.
Okay. Nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey!
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, he took it and he stayed out there. He didn't even... Hold on. Okay, guys. Let's see what I got. Okay. 21 and a half. Okay, you going home.
You lucky.
Yeah. You're lucky. Who? That's a halibut. Man, he took off. No, I'm going to use the gaff. If...
How's it look?
Oh, small. Man,
Dude, he took
they
off
hit like...
faster.
Yeah. No, it's not.
No, it's too small.
Man, they hit like no life, man. Gee.
I was like,
Oh, yep. Oh, big one. Oh, nice big one here.
Stingray.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, reel, you're in. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. He keep going. Yeah. Yeah.
I hope so.
He keep peeling my line. Come on. Oh, wow. Yeah. Ha ha. Keep going. Oh, my goodness. Stop.
Oh, white sea bass.
Usually stingray they go around the boat. This one they keep going. Okay. He stopped.
all right, let me know with the net here.
You might need a gaff.
I'm going to get a gap.
What is it, Chewy? You got the 100 pound.
No, this one 40.
40?
Oh.
Yeah. He keep running. Oh. Yeah, come on, baby.
Don't catch me right now.
Drop it down.
Oh, it's okay, it's
Oh,
okay. That's all right. I don't want to get entangled anyway if he comes here.
Because now that's behind him.
Yeah. You put it down. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh, 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 under the boat now.
Stingray.
Ooh. Oh man, under the boat. Okay. Man, he run again. It tied up a little more.
Far away, huh?
Yeah, far away.
You still have camera on?
Yeah. I just changed the battery. Lucky me.
I know, right?
Yeah.
He's almost here.
What's
Wait,
that?
I see it.
What is it? That ring.
It was up again one time?
You cannot.
Oh, shoot. I haven't seen now. I don't
Yeah.
see it. It's under the boat.
Yeah. Oh man.
Take the line again, huh?
Yeah, I don't want. I hold it. I thumb.
He's already at the top.
Oh my goodness. Wow, big stingray. Yeah, so you just hook onto hold the hook. Okay. One more.
Are you able to get it on camera too?
Yeah, I did everything on camera already.
Come on, stingray.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold the line. Oh, okay, good. Good. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, good fight. Yeah. Oh, at the end of the day, all the anchovy right here. All the anchovy is still alive and lively. I haven't seen one dead, okay? All the anchovy alive, okay? So I'm very happy with the tank right here, you know. So anyway, guys, okay, we fish for another 15 minutes and we going home. Okay, everyone, welcome back. We have a very good fishing day. I'm so blessed to be here today with my Denny and Thomas. First of all, I want to say thank you to Denny for taking us, Thomas and I out today. And we have a very wonderful day. Yeah, we have lots of action. We got two keeper, lots of shaker, and one big fight of the big stingray. But anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, be happy, and go fishing. And please remember to watch the ads so I can have the money to buy rod and reel for kids to go fishing. Thank you so much. You have a good day, and bye-bye.